Delaware County until 1:15 p.m. Tuesday. At 1:17 p.m., the river gauge near Prospect indicated that the Scioto River was steadily rising. Flooding is forecast to begin in northwest Delaware County by late Saturday evening. The river will continue rising and is forecast to crest on Monday. At the forecast river levels, long stretches of both River Road and Route 257 are flooded in northwest Delaware County from near Route 36 north to the Marion County line. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely, and the road beneath may not be intact. Stay tuned to developments by listening to NOAA Weather All Hazards Radio.